How to install Eclipse on Windows 11. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in eclipse.org, which is the official website of Eclipse Foundation. And from here on to the top right hand section, you're gonna click on this small rectangular orange box that says download. And once I click on that, it's going to lead me to a page where I can simply download their favorite desktop packages. This is the one that we were going to go up for. This is the download package, which is in 64-bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on download right here. And that is going to lead me to another landing page where I can download the Eclipse file, and once all the downloads are provided under the terms and conditions of Eclipse Foundation, I click on download and wait for the download option to get started with. As you can see, the download Eclipse package is already started to get downloaded into my download area right here on Chrome. Now, once this package is downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your file section right here and simply just unzip and open up this file and ask it to be run. And usually this running process is automatic and you don't have to separately go into the package or the file downloader and ask it to be run. But yeah, that is an intuitive, easy way to follow up on how to install Eclipse on Windows 11. We're going to directly do it from the official website, install it, and just basically wait for it to run and just use and make the most out of Eclipse.